to see how I make this fall sign for less than $2? Stick around and I'll show you my fall sign DIY. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today my plan is to make a fall sign, and this is something that's been on my mind for a while, and I've been meaning to make it during some of those other challenges that I was involved in. So today I'm going to sit down and I am going to DIY a fall sign. I'm going to attempt to DIY a fall sign, let's just say that. But anyway, this should be pretty simple. At least what I have in my mind is it's pretty simple. So let's see if I can make this happen. Hope everyone's doing well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. And let's get started. This I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a fall, it says a happy birthday sign. I think I'm going to use it to sort of jerry-rig some letters out of it, the word fall. So let's see if I can do this. But in my mind, I already had it thought out. A piece of wood was in the garage, left over from a project that hubby did with some bookshelves. I think I did a video on that a while ago. So I'm going to try to repurpose these letters. The A, definitely need that. And so clean these up a little bit. This should be very simple. I have some paint here that all these tubes of paint that I got from Walmart. I'll probably be using the Snow White or Antique White looks good. Antique Parchment looks good. Probably Snow White I'll use. It's probably a better choice. All right, so I have my A. So this is happy birthday, but I'm going to use probably this I. I'm going to use this other H, I think. So what do I have? I hope this piece of wood is big enough. You know what? I didn't measure it, but uh-oh. I think we're just going to have enough room to make it happen, unless I shorten some of these letters. We're just gonna have enough room to make this happen. All right, when I turn the camera back on, this will say fall, F-A-L-L. Hang on. All right, as you can see, this now says fall, y'all. So my job now is to paint this. So, man, I was going like in several different directions with this, honestly. First I was thinking of just painting the board, at first just painting the board black and then stenciling on these letters. I don't know, let's just see. I'm just going to go with this. I think I'm going to try to like do a dry paint, dry brush treatment. But if I do a dry brush treatment, it would help to have an actual brush. So I may have to go out into the garage to do this. I don't know. I'm just going to just going to see how this works. If it doesn't work, then, you know, you're all right here with me to see this fail. That is hubby practicing his saxophone. So this may be dry. So, and I debated whether to use a Sharpie to outline the letters, but I couldn't find a black Sharpie. I only found a blue, so that's out. And I found this wood finish stain marker that we use to for the hardwood floors when there's a little scratch or something to touch up and for furniture. But I think I'm just going to try it and see what it looks like without the without adding anything to it. So let's see how this goes. It's not bad. Not bad. Awesome. Not that bad, right? Look at this. Can you guys see this? It says fall. Awesome. So I think I'm going to, I may just put some ribbon or something on this, or just leave it like this. I could put some a pumpkin or something on it, or just leave it. I might just leave it. It's just enough. It's enough. So that's one DIY fall project. I'm falling for fall, y'all. And up here in the Northeast, it is so beautiful. The trees started turning a couple weeks ago. I'm in Connecticut, so the trees started turning a couple weeks ago, and I love this time of year in the Northeast. So really, really nice. I don't know about people in California. The weather is always nice there in California, but this, when you have 4 seasons, I don't particularly care for winter, but I do love fall. So, how do you like this, guys? Is this not nice? And you can do this. As I said, this paint was, what, $2 for $1? Use the white. Paint is $2 for $1 from Walmart. The piece of wood I already had in the garage, and the letters that I used for stencils came from the Dollar Tree. I just repurposed this happy birthday sign, and this is what we have. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next production. On to the next DIY, because I am late, really late with decorating. I have to do my mantle, like a fall mantle, but we'll see. I have a fall sign. I don't know where this is going, but I've been wanting to make one for the very longest time. So now I have it. See you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next production.